The International Federation of Robotics is known as the primary resource for worldwide data on the use of robotics, as well as the sponsor of critical activities which advance the industry. At Automate 2015, held in Chicago recently, the International Federation of Robotics reviewed the 2014 statistics and explored how robots and people are working together.
Thousands of small and medium-sized industry will be able to deploy these user-friendly systems. We are on the verge of a breakthrough.
Robots coming out of the cages and interacting with humans directly, I think this is a big opportunity because the robot has advantages and the human being has advantages.
There is no doubt that the annual worldwide supply of robots grew significantly in 2013 and again in 2014, with Asia experiencing the most dramatic growth. Following the presentation, a CEO roundtable made up of robot suppliers and a robot researcher from Georgia Tech continued the discussion about the collaboration of humans and robots and its impact on the market. They responded to questions from the moderator, media, and CEOs from around the world.
We need to think about how we adapt it to the users. The average 20-year-old kid entering the workforce has spent 12,000 hours playing computer games.
I think the fact is the awareness of the manufacturers now. There's more collaborative robots coming on the market. There's a change in dynamics with the cell phones, the wearable technology, and there's a need for it now. So people are saying, hey, how can I fix my problems?
From a training point of view, if you do simple applications, machine tendering or stuff like that, you don't need any training whatsoever. You can do that with the collaborative robots that are available on the market today.
We are, as a population, being more comfortable with robots in our lives, so it will be more part of our life. In fact, somebody made the comment about the normal. The normal is no longer normal.
People are seeing robots in their lives, but they're also seeing that their cars are becoming robots. They get inside a robot and it has autonomous systems.
It's a great growing market. I mean, we all get old, and there's a continuous flow of new customers into the situation. So the chances of trying to provide assisted living support or independent living support is very important. I think the idea of a Google car is fantastic because my mother shouldn't drive. And fortunately, she surrendered her keys, but if she could have more portability to do things on her own through automation, I think it'd make her life better. And even inside the home, her number one fear today, where she lives today, is falling down. So if there's automation that we can use to prevent falls, to prevent the injuries from a fall, that would make her life much easier, much better, and she would enjoy it.
There is still 90% undone, so there is a huge market, both geographically and also by application and how the robot is used.
The event ended with the opportunity for networking and some additional lively conversation. This event is held every 2 years in conjunction with Automate. The next one will occur in 2017.